Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will give a lecture on the measurement of coordinate in the application of surveying. Today we will only be discussing on the calculation needed to determine a coordinate of a point. In calculating a coordinate of a point, some data will first need, such as the direction angle, the distance, and a starting point, let's say from point A. To calculate, let's say, coordinate B with the starting point of coordinate A, then xB is equal to xa plus distance of A to B multiplied by sinus azimuth AB. For YB is equal to YA plus distance of AB multiplied by cosinus azimuth AB. Let's see where this formula came from. For point A, to get to xB from xa, you need to add the distance difference of xB minus xa, where sinus azimuth AB is equal to xB minus xa divided by the distance of AB. xB minus xa is equal to distance of AB multiplied by sinus azimuth AB. Hence, xB is equal to xa plus distance of AB multiplied by sinus azimuth AB. The same goes for point Y. To get to YB from YA, you need to add the distance difference of YB minus YA, where cosinus azimuth AB is equal to YB minus YA divided by the distance of AB. YB minus YA is equal to distance of AB multiplied by cosinus azimuth AB. Hence, YB equal to YA plus distance of AB multiplied by cosinus azimuth AB. Now we can also calculate a coordinate where there are two coordinates data given. This formula is called tied to forward formula. The data needed is two coordinates, let's say point A and point B, and the azimuth angle from point A to the unknown coordinate, azimuth AP, and the azimuth angle from point B to the unknown coordinate, azimuth BP. To determine coordinate P, it can be calculated from point A or point B. If you calculate point P from point A, then xP is equal to xa plus distance of A to P multiplied by sinus azimuth AP, and YP is equal to YA plus distance of AP multiplied by cosinus azimuth AP. Whereas if you calculate point P from point B, then xP is equals to xB plus distance of BP multiplied by sinus azimuth BP. YP is equal to YB plus distance of BP multiplied by cosinus azimuth BP. Now let's try to calculate an example case. It is given that the point A is 4.10 and 15.25, and point B is 17.35 and 8.04. And azimuth AP is 48 degree 20 minutes and 5 seconds. Azimuth BP is 16 degree 30 minutes and 15 seconds. The tied to forward formula consists of a few steps that need to be calculated. The first step is to calculate the azimuth AB. Azimuth AB is the arcus tangent of xB minus xa divided by YB minus YA. This is equal to 118.5529 degrees. The second step is to calculate azimuth BA using this formula. Azimuth BA equals to azimuth AB plus 180 degrees, and you will get 298.5529 degrees. The third step is to calculate the distance between A and B. Distance of AB is equal to XB minus XA divided by sinus azimuth AB, and you will get 15.08. Fourth step is to determine the internal angle of alpha, where as from the drawing, internal angle of alpha is azimuth AB minus azimuth AP, and you will get the answer of 70.2182 degrees. The fifth step is to determine the internal angle of beta, whereas from the drawing, beta is equal to 360 degrees minus azimuth BA plus azimuth BP, and you will get the value of beta equals to 77.9513 degrees. The sixth step is to calculate the distance of AP. The distance of AP is equals to sinus beta multiplied by distance of AB divided by sinus alpha plus beta. From this formula, you will get the answer of 27.97. The seventh step is to calculate the coordinate of P from point A. XP is equals to XA plus the distance of AP multiplied by sinus azimuth AP. And here you will get the coordinate of XP equals to 25. For YP is equal to YA plus distance of AP multiplied by cosinus AP, cosinus azimuth AP, and you will get the value of 33.85 for the coordinate of Y. So point P is equal to 25.33.85. Well, that is all for this session. Until we meet again in the next session. Thank you.